In this session, we will walk you through the process of creating a rubric for evaluating the quality of our Bible translation projects. We will do that using the tool V-Raft. To begin, let's first explore what V-Raft is. What is V-Raft? V-Raft is a virtual online program that walks translators through a three-step process of creating a rubric for their Bible translation. Now, as a side note, a rubric is a document that lists qualities by which to evaluate the overall quality of a subject or an object. As an example, if you are to go to a restaurant, what qualities do you check to decide if a rice or a bowl of rice served on the table is a good quality rice? We each have different preferences, but generally speaking, a good white rice has to have a good aroma, a good color, good texture, uniform in size, and of course, it has to be satisfying. This checklist about the qualities of a good white rice is an example of a rubric. For your Bible translations, V-Raft is the tool that allows you to create a rubric in order to measure the quality of your Bible translation. Let's get started. First and foremost, how do you access it? The first step is to go to bibleineverylanguage.org. Upon entering, you will then be directed to this page. From here, click on Tools. After clicking Tools, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see the list of tools that Wycliffe Associates have developed to effectively and efficiently produce Bible translations. From here, what you need to do is scroll down and look for V-Raft. And once you find it, click on Learn More. In this page, you will see three tabs. For the purpose of this session, we will be focusing our attention to the first tab that says Create or Edit, which is the actual link that leads to the process of creating a rubric. When you click that, you will see this window as your next page. In order to proceed, select the language that you will be using for creating the rubric. Sign up with your email address and a password. Check the boxes about terms of use and statement of faith, then click Create. After that, you will be directed to this page, which is the first of the three-step process in creating a rubric. In this stage, what you need to do is type in the qualities that you think a good Bible translation in your language must possess. You can type it in your language under the first column, or in English using the second column. If you need to add more qualities, you can click on the plus sign at the bottom. If you need help about what qualities you may include, you may click on Demo. Clicking Demo will bring you to this page where a sample rubric is shown. The first column shows a list of qualities of a good Bible translation in one language and their English translations in the second column. You may also access the demo from the dashboard by clicking the third tab named Demo. Using this as an example, what do you do when you're done? Well, once you're finished, you can click the tab on the bottom that says To Define, which then brings you to the second step of the process. This second step will allow you to further define the main qualities that you have entered in the first step. Once you're done, you may go to the bottom of the page and click the tab that says To Qualities if you would like to change anything you have entered in the first step. Or you may proceed to the final step by clicking the tab that says To Measurements. In this final step, you will be able to state the qualities you have previously entered into a yes or no question, which will now serve as the assessment questions by which to measure the quality of your Bible translation projects. Once you're done with this, you may go to the bottom of the page and click the tab that says To Define if you would like to change anything in the previous step. Or you may click on the tab that says Finish to finalize your rubric. After clicking the Finish tab, you will be directed to this page that shows the outlined summary of your rubric. In order to save a copy of this rubric onto your laptop or your computer, you may click on the Download PDF button. If you open the file, this is how it looks like. This is the final version of your rubric. You may also print this. If you have also created a rubric in English, the same procedure applies. You may click on the Download PDF button, open the file, and print it. That is the three-step process in creating a rubric using the Wycliffe Associates tool, V-Raft.